Technical data of 10 mm square gauge wire. Used material asterisk. The inner conductor of a 10 mm superscript 2 wire is often made of copper, due to its excellent electrical conductivity. However, in some specific applications, aluminum wires can be used. Maximum electric current asterisk. The maximum electrical current capacity that a 10 mm superscript 2 wire can withstand depends on installation conditions and local electrical codes. Under typical installation conditions, this wire can safely handle currents of up to approximately 70 to 80 amps. Exact capacity may vary, so it is important to consult local electrical codes and manufacturer specifications to determine proper current capacity. Common applications asterisk. 10 mm superscript 2 wires are generally used to power devices and equipment that require substantial currents, such as large electric motors, high-consumption lighting systems, industrial equipment, industrial heating systems, among others. Maximum supported temperature asterisk. The maximum temperature that a 10 mm superscript 2 wire can withstand depends on the type of insulation used. Standard PVC insulated wires typically withstand operating temperatures of up to about 70 degrees Celsius. If it is necessary to withstand higher temperatures, wires with insulation from heat-resistant materials such as silicone can be used, and they can withstand temperatures in excess of 100 degrees Celsius. Please remember that these technical data are general and may vary based on local codes, manufacturer specifications, and specific installation conditions. When dealing with high-capacity wires, it is crucial to consult a qualified electrician or electrical engineer to ensure compliance with all local safety standards and regulations. Write on the channel, activate the bell, share, leave your like and comment.